Bitcoin is now getting into a very concerning territory, and this video is mainly for traders. If you're a day trader, you have to watch this video till the end because there are a couple of moves that need to be made here. If you're just a long-term holder, you don't really have much to worry about. But if you're trading in the short term or you have positions that are speculative in the short to medium term, this is something to be worried about. And I will show you guys why I'm saying this. In fact, a couple of days ago, I made a video saying that, okay, Bitcoin is more likely going to crash. And guess what happened? It actually pumped. The opposite of what I thought would happen happened exactly. Now, I don't want to dedicate that to either it's market manipulation or any other news, but it was more about Trump's support for Bitcoin and also him, the assassination attempt and things like that. But right now, I need you guys to have a look at this. Okay, this is Ash Crypto on Twitter. He just made another tweet saying that, hey, Mt. Gox moves another 37,000 Bitcoin, and that is valued at $2.4 billion to an unknown address amid creditor payouts. So if you don't have any context with this, this is the exchange that got hacked back in 2014. But some of the Bitcoins were recovered, and now the company is paying back all the creditors. Now, the amount of Bitcoin that these guys are moving are not small amounts. In fact, we can go on Arkham, and we would be able to see the amounts are huge. 382 Bitcoin here, 37,000 Bitcoin over here, 5,000 Bitcoin over here, and a lot of people are wondering, that Bitcoin is probably going to a wallet for some custody. They cannot be paying out someone, right? What most people do not understand is that back in 2014, Bitcoin wasn't that expensive. A lot of people, in fact, some of my friends that have Bitcoin in Mt. Gox, they have 1,000 Bitcoin, for example. People used to have 1,000 Bitcoin, 2,000 used to be normal numbers to have. It used to be normal to own thousands of Bitcoins. So it's not always that they're moving to another address just so that they can pay out, or it's just another cold storage wallet. Some of these wallet transactions are actually payouts. But in fact, some of them are to exchanges, and the exchanges are responsible for paying out to the people that got hacked. Other exchanges actually already started receiving their payouts, which is fantastic, like Bitfinex and stuff like that. So it's exciting what's happening on that front, but at the same time, it is really concerning. And why is it concerning? It's concerning, guys, because when a lot of these guys start selling, because you might be like, oh, you say that Bitcoin is gonna dump even after the payouts. A lot of people, in fact, are celebrating here. They're like, but no worries, not gonna dump one coin. A lot of people say, oh, Bitcoin keeps going up even though this is happening. I'm telling you, not many of these guys have started selling. A lot of them are kind of more experienced than the German government, so they're not going to do it in the dumbest way possible of just starting to dump everything. But very soon, we're more likely to start seeing some selling here. We will see some selling pressure. A lot of these guys receiving their Bitcoin. They bought this stuff when it was $10, $20. Now they're looking at one coin is worth all that money. Trust me, there will be some selling going on. So I'm just putting it out there so that you guys are prepared for whatever may happen. Now, because of that, I'm looking at my charts here. This is Bitcoin. It still looked pretty strong on the daily. Only yesterday and today, the volumes are red. But if you pay very much attention on the 4 hours, you can see that we have started to form some kind of a bearish move here. The Nitrous Bull, like about 12 hours ago, has already called it bearish right now. This is the indicator that I used to trade. Now, because of this, I decided to now open a short position on Bitcoin. And of course, my position is based currently on the Nitrous Bull 4-hour time frame. I think there is potential that we could touch the 64 support level here that is highlighted in the dotted lines. So I will open this position right now while you guys can see. What I've done, I've created a sub account on Bybit, and then I've moved some funds on this account, and I will open a 5x leverage trade. And I will enter right now, but my TP is going to be about 64 101. That's my take, it's a short. And then my stop loss is going to be, just want to make sure I can make sense of these timelines here. Okay, so on the hour, there's that kind of support level, there's resistance level, and then you got, okay, so I'll do 67,212 is going to be the next, the trigger position. 67,
Bitcoin and crypto price movement detected.
Nice. Okay, so at minus 6.1% basically is where that's what will happen to me. You know, and I'll lose a little bit of money, but that is a loss that I'm willing to take. So here we go. Position. Let's get in, just update the price right here and sell short. So yeah, currently guys, this is my prediction for Bitcoin. It's a short-term trade, but I think I could make a little bit of money on it, and that's it. If the market conditions change, I will also have to adjust this position. But right now, I do strongly think that Bitcoin is more likely to dump. If you wanna get a trading account on Bybit, link is in the description. Do not wait to take advantage of my link. It comes with a lot of benefits, low fees, and also they're giving out $500 bonus right now. If you create an account with the link in the description, fund it within 7 days, and open your first trade, is going to be with a free bonus that they give you, which means even if you lose the trade, the loss is on Bybit. So take advantage of that right now. My position is still filling here, $30,000 on the line. In total, it's about 2.2 Bitcoin position. Small, but I think it's fun for the short-term volatility trading. So that's what I want to share with you on there. And now there is a story about the Ethereum ETF. Now this is exciting. Ethereum has seen over $1 billion of inflows on the first day. This is also extremely exciting. It's good news. But if Bitcoin is not going to stand, if Bitcoin is going to struggle, where right now we're looking at it failing to break this level over here, there is a little bit of pressure here, a lot of sell-off, and if it continues to dip down and let's say retest $60,000, Ethereum might throw a lot of value down, because the pump of Ethereum back to about where it's at now has always been about the Ethereum ETF. And you guys remember what happened to Bitcoin when the Bitcoin ETF was approved? It dumped massively, and I wouldn't be surprised if the same thing kind of happens to Bitcoin, to Ethereum as well. That's what I wanted to cover there. And now, lastly, I'm still playing the whale game. So I've been having fun with the whale game, making predictions on different activities in the markets. If you guys have any idea of who you want to pick as a winner for this weekend's Formula One, I like Formula One and I like to make predictions on it. I will put money down on it using whale. If I win, I will give 50% of it to you guys. So let me know who I should vote for. And then also there's a lot of under 21, I think it's under 21 Olympic soccer right now that's going on. It's starting today or something. If you let me know which team I should pick and make a prediction, I will do it on the next video that's upcoming. So make sure you do not miss out. Okay. There's a lot of politics also involved with Bitcoin right now. Kamala Harris is reported that the team behind, you guys know this already probably, but the team behind the largest Bitcoin conference, right now are speaking to Kamala Harris to speak. And obviously if she cannot go to a crypto conference and speak negatively about it, so she is kind of forced to become positive towards Bitcoin. And if she goes to Nashville and speak positively about Bitcoin, Trump is also going to be there. There will now be competition among the two presidential candidates who is going to be even more pro-Bitcoin. And we could see that maybe might strike the market up a little bit. But I think Nashville and Trump speaking at Nashville was a carrot, and part of the market going up was people speculating on that. And when it happens this weekend, we could see even a further decline. So I would be surprising if the forces change. But right now, in the short term, I think Bitcoin has a bearish looming around it. Like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys later. Take care.